What's up, my Ryker family? It's been about a month. Trying to follow up, give you a little update on the latest mods and add-ons I've done to the beast. Been a minute. I know you guys have been enjoying your good weather out there, and I've been enjoying it myself today. Just trying to follow up on the videos that have been about a month ago. So I'm gonna just give you another walkthrough of a couple of things that I've done. Come with me. You notice, put on the red vinyl wrap from Ryker Wraps. Shout out to them. Did it myself. I think I did a pretty decent job. A couple of creases for the first time. Not bad, not bad. Another thing I've done was the backpack. My thermos, my lunch, clubs, cell phone chargers. Comes in handy. And something that I thought I couldn't do, I hooked up, I don't know if you noticed, on the back of the max mount. I added that extra fender. I always saw it on the Ryker rallies. Easy to put on. Helped out, extended my mount rack. A max mount. That looks even better. Other things you've seen from the previous, but it's the red vinyl wrap from Ryker Wraps. Nothing else but just keeping the baby clean. I think the next mod that I might do is tuning this baby up. I mean, I started with a 600, not for nothing. I want a little more power, but I'm happy the way it is. But I'm telling you, I'm enjoying this. I got no complaints, no regrets whatsoever. So if you're looking to get a Ryker 600 to start off, I highly recommend it. This June will be a year that I have this baby. But let me tell you, no regrets, no regrets. Like I said, the vinyl was the last update, the backpack, and the extended fender on the max mount. But there she is, the beast. I'm up to 2,700 miles, and like I said, this June will be a year. And no complaints. No complaints, guys. And again, for you guys who's starting to look up on YouTube regarding mufflers, there's a lot out there in the industry, a lot of good ones. I chose to stick, and I'm happy with it, with RLS exhaust. Ricky Sutton out of Texas, and I'm telling you, I have no regrets whatsoever. And that says it all. That says it all right there. LED headlights, LED fog lights, daytime running lights. At nighttime, she's a beast.